Let's go see what that is. Looks old. Sorry for such a long wait. I turned the camera on as soon as I saw something in the distance. Look at that. Like a little old house or some kind of storage building. Oh, like stables? Maybe? Seems okay if we go look. Yeah, there we go. You folks focus on the building there. I'm just watching my step here. Well, hey, would you look at that? It's graffitied. This was some kind of old barn, though, right? What's that noise? Oh, look, we got a little squirrel friend up here. Sorry, I accidentally turned off the camera instead of zooming in. Look, we got him up there. Didn't mean to disturb you. Boy, that scared me good. I heard shit moving around up there. School friend's moving. It's okay, buddy. Let's go look in here. Could you imagine looking in here and there's somebody sleeping? That's what I was afraid of when I heard the squirrel moving around. Alright, well, this is a neat little find out here. Now, if I can get back without getting bit by a snake, it'll be all good. Well, that poor squirrel probably thinks I'm chasing him back and forth. Cool find. I wonder if that place has a name or something. If you know what that is, this is off of Buckeye Cove Nature Preserve. Okay, I don't know, it's probably just some little building, but it'd be neat if it had history. Anyways, thanks for hanging out. That was kind of cool fun.